City of Miami is challenging the census. Mayor Tomas Regalado believes the feds undercounted the city's population, an error that could cost Miami billions of dollars. As CBS4's Gary Nelson reports, the city wants the census to get its numbers right.
The melting pot, that is Miami, got burned, the city believes, in the 2010 census, and a failure to accurately count heads in the Magic City could cost the town dearly.
We were not counted the way we believe we should have been.
Mayor Tomas Regalado and other elected leaders announced Miami will challenge the census results.
It's vital. It's our bread and butter. It determines how much money this community is going to receive from the federal government.
The city believes the government undercounted Miami by 100,000 people or more, and almost every dime a city gets from the federal government for emergency services, road construction, health care, schools, everything is doled out based on population. Miami argues the census failed to count all those people who began filling the high-rise condos in Brickell and downtown last year. Failed to include all the Haitians who fled to Miami after last January's earthquake. And missed much of the migrant community that deliberately avoided the census.
Many of them live in the shadows. They would not come out and be counted.
No, we know the city well.
Urban researchers at FIU were startled by the low census figures.
We anticipated a more significant growth than what we saw in the 2010 census, but not only for the city, but for the county as well.
Miami will use, among other things, new utility hookups and school enrollment figures to try to get the government to revise its population count. It's been done successfully by other cities before.
We're asking for fairness, to be counted correctly so we get our fair share.
Billions could be at stake over 10 years until the next census is taken. Challenging the census count can be a hugely expensive proposition. Fortunately for Miami, one of the poorest cities in the country, a not-for-profit group that advocates for the poor has agreed to pick up the tab. In Miami, Gary Nelson, CBS 4 News.